Hi, I am Jerome Palma, 36 years old, co-owner ng Travel Cafe, and I was inspired heavily by Romeo Toshu. Nag-attend ako ng Franchise Expo. So, yung expo niya, may mga speaker siya, and one of those was Phil Pax Lucky. Nagbenta na rin siya ng book. Nung binasa ko, malaking tulong yung book. Aside from yung mga concrete examples sa pagnenegosyo, like yung mga checklist ng mga gagawin mo before starting a business, andun. But pinaka-importante yung na-inspire ka, kung nawala yung fear mo. Travel Cafe, yung main concept is primarily a dessert place, but eventually magkakaroon siya na yung travel concierge. Kasi na-realize namin na maraming turista. So, yung concept is yung parang pwede ka mag-coffee at the same time pwede ka mag-picnic. Sa ngayon, we're celebrating our first year anniversary. Parang kailan lang na parang hirap kami sa pag-open. Kasi, syempre, it's a new business. Mga pinagdaanan namin, gaya nung paglakad ng mga permits, kasi we did it ourselves. Tapos yung pag-ayos ng lugar, when we found this place, talagang hindi mo akalain kung paano siya convert into a cafe. So parang kami-kami lang. Hindi namin akalain nun na marami kagad yung papasok. Actually, nilakayan na namin ito, mas maliit pa ito before. Yung bestseller namin is yung Concord Cake, merang base na cake. Yung sa ano naman, yung mga frap na, yung caramel frap, yun yung bestseller. Yung Bob Marley Restaurants, family business. So, parang where I like it or not, parang na-expose na rin ako sa entrepreneurship at an early age. Yung Bob Marley is a rebranding of an old restaurant, family business, which we sinimulan namin noong 1990. A Filipino restaurant. Tapos noong 2004, we decided to rebrand it into Bob Marley to keep up with the change in market. Parang na-feel namin na nagmamature na yung market ng old restaurant namin. So we decided na parang in order to attract new customers, parang nag-rebrand kami. So yun, the inspiration was parang yung mga island dining. So yung nakikita namin sa mga resort. So yun, reggae music, tapos yung ambience is parang beach cafe. So na-realize namin na yung food na sinaserve namin is swak naman doon sa ano. Para sa mga nagde-negosyo, parang huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa kung sakaling may mga failures tayong maano. Kasi parte na lang yun ng pag-negosyo. So, kung meron mang ano, basta try na lang ulit. Let's just try again. Tapos pa nag-fail ulit, try ulit. Para sa akin, yung practical lang is parang you should stand out and be different. Huwag kang gumaya. So yung isimulan mong business should be better, stronger, or kung kahit anong lamang niya, dapat may magkaroon ka ng niche para makita ka. Kasi maraming nag-negotiate.